Located off West Pitkin, the CSU Biology Building is one of the many buildings on campus leading in innovative, sustainable design.
Shading systems are used primarily on the west and south sides of the building to help cool from the high summer sun. The exterior of the building being constructed with primarily large glass windows and light-colored brick helps reflect light and help prevent the urban heat island effect.
Entering through the west entrance, you reach the main lobby featuring a biolithic wall. In addition, the first floor also has a wall-spanning aquarium housing small marine life.
The first floor also includes open study areas as well as a large lecture hall, big enough for up to 300 students.
Built in 2017, the building was voted on by students and focused through university fees, costing about $70 million. The overall design of the building is student-focused. The first floor promotes an academic atmosphere for all things biology. Each floor is organized by scientific discipline. The second floor is animal psychology and genomics. The third floor is ecology, behavior, and evolution. The fourth floor is evolutionary genesis and plant molecular biology.
Following the completion of the project, this I-beam was signed by Haselden, a previous CSU president Tony Frank, and the Dean of Natural Sciences Jan Nerger. Later in 2018, the building was awarded 63 out of 108 points, becoming LEED Gold certified.
On the second floor, more open collaborative spaces are included, along with a large medical lab in the center with large windows that allowed students to view lab experiments. The second floor also includes an outdoor patio, which also has outdoor power outlets for students to use.
The entire building uses exterior lighting as a primary light source, allowing for 90% of areas to have direct line of sight to the outdoors. In addition, the building saves almost 30% in energy cost due to the use of natural lighting.
When designing the building with sustainability in mind, the labs on all floors were centralized in the center of the building. By placing the laboratories at the center of the building, Colorado State was able to consolidate and centralize all of the energy and water needs of the labs. In addition, the laboratory ventilation and drainage systems are grouped together, which saved money during construction and will save money when maintenance issues arise.
To help save costs and improve efficiency, group and individual lighting and heat controls are also available in many of the conference rooms and study rooms.
All study rooms are fitted with whiteboards and smart TVs to promote collaboration and efficiency between students.
Mechanical and electrical systems were left exposed in the basement in order to save money on material costs as well as reduce maintenance costs and effort in the future.
During the course of construction, Haselden was able to reach 81% construction waste diversion. Additionally, the building was completed with 24% recycled content and with 17% of the building material manufactured and extracted within 500 miles of the site.
The building is an 8-minute walk from main campus, but also provides access to alternative modes of transportation, including a bus stop and bike-friendly areas.
Native plants are used around the exterior of the building. A strategic stormwater collection zone was also integrated between the biology building and neighboring chemistry building to help divert water away.
The biology building was the 25th building on campus to become LEED certified and continues to inspire students' academic careers and push designers to think more sustainable.